Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Aditi, and today I will be creating this look right here for you guys. This is a very glam, colorful cut crease. I have tried to explain all the steps in detail. So yeah, and also I have hooded eyes. So if someone of you have hooded eyes, then this tutorial will be a little helpful for you guys. So yeah, if you want to know how to achieve this eye look, then please keep on watching. So I'm first of all going to take the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base, and I'm going to apply it all over my lids, and I'm blending it out with PAC 288 concealer brush. You can use any eyeshadow base or concealer for this purpose. You just want to even it out and make your lids a little tacky. Then from the Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette, I'm going to pick that yellow shade and I'm going to apply it on inner 1/3 of my crease. Generally, yellows are a little difficult to work with because they do not show up well. So that is why I am just packing it in, then slightly blending it, then again packing it, and then blending it again. So you have to go back and forth with yellow to just make it a little more prominent. Then I'm going to take that orange shade from Revolution Trends versus Mischief matte palette, because the Beauty Glazed one did not had a matte orange shade. So I am just again going to place it and then blend it slightly, and I'm applying it on the 2/3 of my crease. So basically what we will do is that we have applied the yellow shade in the inner 1/3, then on the middle part we have applied the orange, and then on the last 1/3 part we are going with a corally shade, and I am going to blend it with the orange because I do not want to make it look like really pink, and also because we are going to cut our crease, so you want to flick that corally shade in a wing shape so that when you cut your crease it looks like you have a lifted eyes. Oh, and by the way, the brushes that I'm using to create this eye look are from Zoeva, and yeah, so you also want to slightly soften the edges so that it looks like the color is flowing into each other and it does not look really stark, and like you can see the demarcation. You do not want to make it look visible. Now finally, you very slightly and softly want to blend the edges out till your brows. Then I'm going to cut my crease, and for that I'm going to use my concealer, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now if you have a prominent crease, then you do not have to follow what I say. You can just normally follow your natural crease and then cut it. But if you have hooded eyes like mine, then what you want to do is keep your eyes wide open and mark the concealer a little above where your crease ends. That is further up on your hood. It is a little difficult to explain, but do you see how I kept my eyes open while cutting that crease? Now, what this will do is that even if you keep your eyes open, cutting your crease a little above your actual crease will ensure that your eye makeup is still visible and the hood does not hide it. Now, a great trick to do this is to apply the concealer while your eyes are still open and you're looking straight in the mirror, and you want to apply it a little above where the fold starts. This will just increase the length of your lids. I do not know if all of that makes sense. I'm sorry if it didn't. Like, I hope the video is doing more justice to whatever I'm doing, but yeah, you just want to elongate the concealer in a form of a wing. Now I'm going to pick a golden shade from the palette, and I'm going to apply it on the areas that we have applied the concealer on. And yeah, you just want to apply it as a base, because I am going to top it off with glitter, and this is from Nicka. And as you can see, I have shown here that if I keep my eyes open, still you can see my lid shade. So yeah, now I'm just applying that liquid eyeshadow. It is a beautiful sort of a metallic glittery eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it on top of that gold eyeshadow. Just take your time with this step. You do not want to draw crooked lines. Draw it as straight as possible so that the cut looks very sharp. And yeah, this is how the finished cut crease looks like. Now I will just dust off any fallouts from my face. Now for my waterline and lash line, I'm first going to apply this Maybelline gel eyeliner in the shade blue, and I'm going to apply it on my waterlines, and I'm also going to apply it a little below my waterlines. And then what I'm going to do is set it with a powder eyeshadow. This is again from the Beauty Glazed palette, and I'm just smoking it down. Then I'm going to take that yellowy gold shade and I'm going to apply it on my inner corners to highlight it. And this is how I've finished eye look looks like. I'm just going to very thinly apply a sketch eyeliner, like a black sketch eyeliner, on my lash line. The one I am using here is the Swiss Beauty sketch eyeliner. Again, this is optional, you can totally skip it, but I am just doing it because I am going on with the false eyelashes and I do not want any skin to show. Then I'm going to apply the Essence a Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, and I'm going to apply it on both my top and bottom lashes. Now you can totally skip on false eyelashes, but with these kind of eye looks that are a little dramatic, I think lashes look very good, and I mean they just complete the whole eye look. So I'm using this Daniya Cosmetics eyelashes in the variant Lively. These are very natural looking eyelashes, and guys, especially if you have hooded eyes, you do not want to use anything extremely dramatic, because that will again hide the eye makeup. Like all the work you have done, it will just hide it, and you do not want to do it. So use a natural looking eyelashes. And yeah, that will be it for my today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, then make sure you like it, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.